Hi, fourth grade. So I just want to do a little bit of a review on our electricity unit. Again, a series circuit is an electrical path that is arranged in a series. It only has one pathway for that electricity to flow through. If this light bulb were to go out, the second one would go out as well, because it only has one way for it to travel. Also, with this circuit, this little cord here, this cord is covered by an insulator, which is that black rubber. And inside of that insulator or that black rubber is going to be your wire, which is your conductor. It conducts that electricity and lets it flow through. Okay, so the outside again is an insulator. The inside is the conductor, the wire. A parallel circuit is a closed circuit that has more than one path. So like this, there's more than one pathway for that electricity to flow through. There's more than one circuit. So if this light bulb were to go out here, because this pathway were to get cut off somewhere, this second one would still be lit, because on this side, there's another way for that electricity to flow through. And one last thing that you will have to answer a question on today are the different parts of a light bulb. And for a light bulb, we have our lead, which is that little piece inside. We have our glass, which is the outer piece of our light bulb. The gas is inside. It's kind of flowing through that light bulb inside. It's flowing freely. The filament, if you ever were to shake a light bulb, when it had burnt out, you can kind of hear that filament inside of it. And then the bottom part is your base. So for today, when I ask you to write something new that you learned about the parts of a light bulb.